What do you think the most significant event is? I think the most important event is water on the moon because we can use it in the future. Have you ever wondered if there's water on the moon? Well, there is. Scientists did some research and found that there is. They confirmed that it is a mixture of water and carbon dioxide. Did you know that no one can own the moon and its water? In 1966, many of the United Nations, including the USA, signed the Treaty in Outer Space. Basically, it says that resources in space don't belong to any person because they belong to everyone. According to the treaty, no country can own the moon and therefore no country can own the water on it. This treaty, like many of the UN's international treaties, is gentleman's agreement. It explains that the moon can be used for only peaceful purposes to share. The water that was formed or deposed is billions of years old. These polar cold traps could trap and hold a key to the history and evolution of the solar system, much as an ice core sample taken on Earth reveals an instant data. Without water on the moon, our efforts to explore the solar system will be slowed greatly by a lack of affordable fuel. Hydrogen and oxygen are the primary components of rocket fuel, which is also water. The water on the moon could be used for only to sustain a colony, but allow us to produce fuel on the moon, gently reducing costs of bringing it from Earth. Now that a station orbiting the moon could be used to build a spacecraft that would be better suited to travel through space without the need to withstand astronomically more difficult. Why is all this so important? This is also important because the moon has rich minerals, but the apparent lack of finding water had been a disappointment. Before water can be used to make oxygen for the colonists to breathe and rocket fuel to launch spacecrafts to all parts of the solar system. So as you can see, finding water on the moon is very important to our environment. Now I hope you learned a lot about why I think finding water on the moon is